Hello children, last class we learnt about the soil formation. Today we are going to learn what does soil contain, means what will be in a soil, what contents will be in a soil, that we have to learn. Soil is formed by the combination of many things present in a nature. Now soil is a combination of many things they were present in a nature. Soil is a combination of that all things. Let us do some activities to see what does soil contain. Now you have to see what does soil contain, that we have to see now. Now they gave here in this jar, they given here what soil contain. Soil contains stone, sand, clay and humus. What soil contain, children? Humus, clay, sand, stones. Stones will be down in a jar. Then up of this sand will be there. Then up of this clay will be there. Then humus. Now we have to see the activity number 1. Take some soil from a garden and put it in a jar. You can do this, children. You have to take little soil and you have to put it in a jar. Now fill water in this jar. Yes, children, you have to fill water in this jar. Cover the lid and shake it well. Then what you have to do? You have to take the soil and in that you have to fill that jar with the water. Then you have to cover it. Then you have to shake it well, children. Allow the jar to stand undisturbed for half an hour. Now after shake, then you have to keep that jar undisturbed, means you should not move that jar till half an hour. Now observe the soil in the jar. Now you have to observe soil in the jar, children. You will observe that stone have settled down at the bottom of the jar. Now you can see stones are there in the bottom of the jar. You can do this activity, children. It is very easy. The grains of sand are seen above the stone. Now here big stones are there, up of this sand is there. Then there is a layer of clay above the sand. Here you can see above the sand there is a layer of a clay. Finally you will see dead plants floating on the top. Plants. Now you can see the leaves. If leaves are becoming yellow, means it will fall down. That is known as a dead leaves, dead plants. Now dead plants, they will float on the water top. That is known as a humus. Humus means, understood, children? Dead plants. Soil contains water. Now soil will contain water. Activity 2. You can see the activity 2, children. Soil will contain water. Take some soil from a garden. You have to take some soil from the garden and put it in a small tin, and then you have to put it in a small tin, children. Heat it on a low flame. Then you have to heat it. Low flame. Gas should be low, not high. Keep it covered with a lid. Again you have to keep it covered, children. Remove the lid and observe. After some times you have to remove the lid. You have to remove that and you can see there. You will observe teeny drops of water on the lid, proving that soil contains water. Now soil also contain the water, children. You can see this activity, but you should not do this activity. When you have to do this activity under the guidance and supervision of your parents and teacher. Now today's homework is you have to read this page number 25 5 times.